Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. And if you also trade on other pairs like Euro, USD, GBP, USD, then you can also check out the forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel. So let's get started. So as you can see that instead of the 4 hour chart, I am in the 15 minutes chart because today I'll be sharing few trading spots, trading zones for the day trading purpose only. So that's why I'm in a 15 minutes chart. But before I proceed, I would like to mention one thing that probably you all have seen that since morning gold is in downtrend. In fact, if you look at a chart of Euro USD, then you can see the same. Almost all the USD pairs, Euro USD, Gold USD, are showing signs of bearishness. Why? Because since morning DXY US dollar is going up. Yes, DXY is bullish since morning and it's the 4 hour chart of DXY. But my dear friend, I would like to mention one thing very clearly. If you have watched my previous videos on gold, Euro USD, then you know it very well that this setup of DXY is intact for the last couple of days, and the setup is still valid. DXY is going up, but DXY is also approaching the resistance zone. So as a result, there is a high possibility that after some time DXY will face some selling pressure, and I will not be surprised if I see DXY reversing from here and recovery on gold and Euro USD and other pairs. So be careful for some recovery because the chart of DXY will be very important. So today if you're planning to trade on gold, Euro, USD, GBP, USD, then you must focus on the chart of DXY as well. DXY is an uptrend right now, but if the bullishness continue, DXY will reach resistance zone and it will reverse and we will see recovery on the chart of gold, Euro, USD and others as well. So be careful. Okay. Now let's look at the chart of gold. Okay, this is Euro USD. Yeah. Yeah, so these are the levels for the gold for today. As you can see, after the market opening, we have seen some selling pressure on gold, and right now gold is trading at 1948.65. This is the current market price of gold here, and the most important level for as of now, okay, not for as of now is 1943. Okay, this is the most important level for gold right now. If the market falls again, if DXY jumps, if market falls, then 1943.30, 1943 will try to provide support to the market. You can see there was a huge sharp price rejection before. So as a result, there is a possibility that buyers are still present here and buyers will try to hold the market. Okay, if market reaches 1943.30, 1943 level, and if you see market bouncing from here, you can go for buy. And if market fails also, if you see that the selling pressure is high enough, DXY is very bullish, in that case you can see market breaking the support and going down, and you can hope for 1939 to act as the next support. Okay, if you want, if the selling pressure is very high, if you see market forming big fat red candles, DXY extremely bullish, you can also sell below 1943 level. But keep in mind the next support, agla support 1939 pe hai, and there is a possibility market will bounce from here. Okay, and if everything fails, if the bullishness on DXY continues and if we see sharp buy on DXY, then you may also see heavy selling in the market as well. Keep in mind, my dear friends, this is market, nothing is permanent. So as a result, following strict risk management is very important. Never forget, this is your hard-earned money and it's your duty to protect it. So follow proper risk management and always use stop loss. Okay, in case you don't know how to take position and all, please use the position size calculator. If there are no videos online, then text me write an email to me. I'll provide the video, and in fact very soon I'll be also releasing a video where I will teach how to take position like a professional forex trader. Okay, and if market starts going up from here, okay, if market starts going up from here, then you can expect selling pressure around 1957 to 1958, around this level. Okay, so till now we have discussed if market goes down what will happen. Okay, so 1943, 1939 are the two important levels, and if the selling continues, DXY flies, then yes, market will break and market will go down. But in case market goes up from here, then 1956, 1957, okay, around this level you can expect some selling pressure. If under normal market circumstances, if there is no news in the market, then you can expect reversal from here. If you see price rejection from above, price reversal, you can take a sell position, or else you can take a sell position around 1962. This is also a very important level, 1962, and ultimately at 1966. So these are the selling levels: 1957, 98, 1962, 1966. These are all selling levels for you. And if market goes down, then we can expect market to get support around 1943, 1939, and ultimately at 1909. Why 1909? Let me show you. Okay. This is the 1909 level, and before that 1920, around 1920, okay, 1920 is also present in the form of 200 period moving average. Okay, so there are multiple layers of support also, multiple layers of resistance also. Hopefully I've understood. If you and please mark down the levels, because levels are very important. Okay, and my dear friends, if you are interested in learning, then probably you know that I have launched the world's most affordable forex trading workshop, so that everyone can learn, everyone can earn. If you are really interested in learning, then please check out the page. The link is in the description. And if you are someone who is only looking for signals, then I have launched the world's most cheapest signal service. You can also find a link in the description. These are all my recent projects, so that everyone can earn, learn, and everything. Hopefully I've understood. Thanks a lot for such an overwhelming response and all the support and love. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Thank you.